In a world where law is meaningless, power is unchecked, and loyalty is everything, The Godfather Part 4, Fredo's Revenge.
Told my security detail that I need to get to George Washington Hospital immediately. They turned on the emergency equipment and drove very quickly to the hospital. I got out of the car and literally ran up the stairs. I raced to the hospital room. Mr. Ashcroft was lying down in the bed. The room was darkened. And I immediately began speaking to him, trying to orient him as to time and place. Got a call, told him to get as many of my people as possible to the hospital immediately. Mr. Card was very upset. He reported they were just there to wish him well.
The Godfather Part 4, and you thought the third one sucked. Coming soon, Godfather V, the Paul Wolfowitz story.
How's Paulie? Oh, Paulie, won't see him no more.